Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at... Come on, focus, you stupid. There we go. SOUNDLOGiC XT Universal SELFiE LED Flash Adapter. A flash to your mobile device. The same front or back cameras, battery inside, no red eye. Independent 4 LED camera flash with low, bright, and ultra bright light settings. Charge lasts up to 1,000 photos with flash, without flash, works with iPad, iPhone, Android, phone, computer, and more. Yeah. Says on the side there. Same thing on the side, SOUNDLOGiC XT. So here's what you're going to get in there, your little SELFiE adapter and the charging cable. There's a couple problems with this. I mean, pros and cons with this. One, right there, it doesn't say what type of phone it works with. Like, it just is, it said iPhone. Yes, but does it work with iPhone 7, 7 Plus? Does it work with the new iPhone 11? You know, what type of iPhone? Does it support it? Does it not support it? You know, what are these other things that they're talking about where it says, and more, after computer? What type of computer does it work with, you know? So yeah, there's, so far as I know, 3 colors. There's, you know, the red, the black, and the blue version here. How much I paid? $1 at the dollar store. That's why I bought it at the dollar store. Now, if you went online, Amazon, eBay, Walmart, Myers, whatever, Target, you know you're gonna pay more than $1. So, for $1, I feel I got a good price on this. You know, is there any other colors that they made? Maybe a green one, maybe a purple one, a pink one. I don't know, but that's one of the bad things about this. No website whatsoever. It's not like www.soundlogic.com or anything like that. Nope, no website. It's just, hey, if you see it in the store, buy it. Pretty much. So, here's what's going to come in the package. Your little SELFiE light. Useless instructions that it doesn't tell you anything important on there. I mean, this is just like, it's a light, do not slide, do not eat it, do not put it in water. Yeah, who cares about that? Here's our charging cable, USB there, 3.5mm jet right there, 3.5mm jet, 4 LEDs, color red, is what the housing's going to look like. You have another little jack port right here for another 3.5mm. Don't know why you need one up there. The only thing that I'm guessing is maybe for a stereo microphone. But then why? You're not recording a video, you says selfie sticks. So yeah. But you can put another one in here. Like that. And kind of had them staggered a bit. Don't know why the heck you want to do that, but it's something that you can do. Maybe you could have this hanging off of your phone or a tablet or whatever, and then one of your headphones in there. But why would you really want to leave this hanging off of your phone or tablet and then have your headphones in there, you know? Doesn't make any sense. So to charge it, 2 important things that they don't tell you. When you put it into the charging cable, you gotta wait. Now it looks like it's all the way in. Push it super hard and give it a good old smack. And listen for this. Did you hear that little... Here, let's do that again. So it looks like it's in all the way, but it's not. When you hear that sound, that means it's finally in all the way. Because if you don't have it in all the way and you don't hear that little sound, you just have it like this, it's not going to charge. When you hear that sound, you know it's in all the way, then it's going to charge. How long does it take to fully charge this battery up? 45 minutes. But nowhere on the box or in the instructions does it say, hey, you gotta make sure you hear that little quick snap sound so that you know it's fully connected in there. And oh, by the way, it'll take 45 minutes for it to be fully charged. On this, nope, doesn't say that. Does it say it on here? Nope. Does it say on the website? What website? There ain't no website. You know? And these are the companies that they can make a pretty darn good product, but they're lacking on their info and how to market their product to their customers. It's like, well, okay, you have a good selfie stick. Type of, LED flash adapter. What colors does it come in? As we already seen, blue, red, black. Does it come in green, purple, yellow, pink, whatever? I don't know. These were just the ones that Dollar Store had, Well, oh, you got to hear that snap. It takes 45 minutes to charge. That's the type of info that needs to be printed on the box or on these pieces of paper. Because these papers just tell you useless things like, do not put it in your mouth. Do not eat it. Do not swallow it. Do not take a bath with it. It is not waterproof. Obvious stuff, but not the important stuff. 45 minutes. Gotta hear that snap so that you know it's going to charge, but let's pop it onto the camera. As soon as you pop it on, it turns on. Super duper bright. So there's the little on and off button right here, and you don't have to have it on the camera. So let's see here. That's bright, brighter, brightest, off, bright, brighter, brightest, off, bright, brighter, brightest, off. So it just has those 4 little settings on it. And I guess if you want, you could stack them together. Although, hold on. Let me turn these 2 off. There we go. Yeah, both of them. Let me turn these off. I had it going, but both of them were on. And they use it like a bypass mode. But I mean, yeah, that kind of looks dumb and stupid. I'm pretty sure, well, these are going to be brighter than, the standard flashlight that you have on your camera. If you turn a little flashlight option on or off. These are definitely going to be bright, but I would have just had a flashlight, to be honest with you. A little AA, AAA, D-cell flashlight. But yeah, that has been the unboxing review of SOUNDLOGiC USB rechargeable, thing. The UNIVERSAL SELFiE LED flash adapter and WAD. Yeah. Remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.